Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload and crop your profile picture on a Bluesky social, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Bluesky app. Make sure you do that, open that up, and make sure you're actually logged in. But then you'll probably be on the home screen right here. So what you want to do, guys, you will see your profile icon at the top right hand corner. You want to go ahead and click on that profile icon right there, and now you'll see your profile. What you're going to do, guys, right here at the right hand side, you want to click on edit profile. Then you will see this one right here. This is for your profile picture. Click on that, and now you can either upload from camera, okay, take a picture of yourself or maybe your surroundings. You can do that. You can have an avatar if you want, but I'm going to upload from library. I'm going to choose something from my gallery. I'm going to go ahead and I will choose this image of myself right here. I'll use this image right here, and if you want, you can zoom in and zoom out, scale it according to your needs. I'm happy with this. You can crop it according to how you want. I'm happy with this one, so I am just going to press done right here, the top right hand side, this check mark, and then it's basically uploading our profile picture. And once it's done uploading, guys, I'm going to just go ahead and tap on save. Okay, there we go. It is uploaded. I'm going to press on save, and then now it's going to save to our profile in just a few moments. Just have to give it about 5 to 10 seconds. I'm going to show you that it actually worked out. There we go, guys. Our profile has been updated, and you can refresh and check that out as well. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.